Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. DARPA partners with Insa Digital to develop tools to assess threats to national security. The program manager of DARPA pledges to defend the state at any cost. The CEO of Insa Digital said their firm works for DARPA will be fairly wide-ranging. The Defensive Adventure Research Project against partnered with Insa Digital, a crypto intelligence firm, to assess whether or not the rising use of digital assets posed a threat to national security and law enforcement. According to a Washington Post article, Insa will develop tools that will give the Pentagon a granular view of crypto markets' inner workings, in part to help authorities course illicit uses of digital assets. Speaking about this project in an interview with the Washington Post, Mark Flood, DARPA program manager, said the program underway had involves mapping out the cryptocurrency universe in some detail. While touching on the nitty-gritty of the project, Flood unveiled that by fighting illicit finance, the office aimed to use the data for insight into dynamics shaping traditional financial markets, a place where digital information is hard coming. Citing the tornado case, money laundering where Korean government-affiliated hackers used the money to buy weaponry, and the Russian attack on the Ukrainian financial industry. Flood stated that the financial sector will be a component of modern warfare going forward. Subsequently, he pledged that he will do anything to preserve, reinforce, and protect the financial sector of the US and its allies. Insa Digital CEO Adam Zarensi said his firm's work for DARPA will be fairly wide-ranging, disclosing more details about the partnership. Zarensi said, among other goals, the project aims to help the government understand how money flows in and out blockchain system or public ledger maintained on distributed network on computer. The past DARPA partners with crypto firm Insa Digital for digital assessment applied first on coin education. The CEO of Insa Digital said that their firm works DARPA will be very wide-ranging. The Defense Adventure Research Project against partnered with Insa Digital, a crypto intelligence firm, to assess whether or not the rising use of digital assets stood as a threat to national security and law enforcement. According to a Washington Post article, Insa will develop tools that will give the Pentagon a granular view of crypto markets' inner workings, in part to citing the tornado case, money laundering where Korean government-affiliated hackers used the money to buy weaponry, and the Russian attack on the Ukrainian financial industry. Flood stated that the financial sector will be a component of modern warfare going forward. Subsequently, he pledged that he would do anything to preserve, reinforce, and protect the financial sector of the US and its allies. Insa Digital CEO Adam Zarensi said that his firm work for DARPA will be fairly wide-ranging, disclosing more details about the partnership. Zarensi said, among other goals, the project aims to help the government understand how money flows in and out of the coin system or public ledger maintained on a distributed network of computers. The post-DARPA partner with crypto firm Insa Digital for digital assessment appeared for us on one discussion. The program underway here involves mapping out the cryptocurrency universe in some detail. While touching on the nitty-gritty of the project, Flood unveiled that by fighting illicit financial, the office aimed to use the data for insight into dynamics of traditional financial market, a place where detailed information is forthcoming. Citing the tornado case, money laundering where Korean government-affiliated hackers used the money to buy weaponry, and the Russian attack on the Ukrainian financial industry, Flood stated that the financial sector will be a component of modern warfare going forward. Subsequently, he pledged that he would do anything to preserve, respond and protect the financial sector of the youth and its allies, and digital CEO Farley Weathering, disclosing more details about the partnership. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.